This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to the 19. So my name is Ratan. Guys, we're discussing core Java assignments. The last video we talked about for loop, right? So sum of 1 to 10 numbers, 1 to 10 even numbers, sum of 1 to 10 odd numbers, right? Yeah. This video will go for like integer array. So if you take the numbers, I have some numbers of array, right? Array of numbers are there 7, 3, 9, 4, 8, 9, 89, 76, 34, like that. We have some numbers. Stop the data when the even numbers occurs. Number one. Okay, stop the data when the even number is what occur, right? Occurs. Skip the even numbers. So basically, okay, stop the data when the even numbers occur means you need to stop the loop basically. Just to stop the loop, we need to go for the break. If we need to stop the loop, assume like I want to repeat this data using loop only. I'm repeating every element using the loop. When the even number is occurred, you need to stop the loop. Because to stop the loop, what we are using to stop the loop execution, use the break statement. To stop the loop execution, use what a break statement, right? Exactly. Number one, guys. To stop the loop execution, use a break. And second one is what skip the even numbers. It means what you want skip the specific iterations, right? Because to skip the iterations, you're going for the continue. Just to skip the iterations, whatever iteration you want skip, to skip the iteration, to skip the specific iterations, to skip the iterations, use what? Use continue, right? There's a continue statement. Okay, there is a break versus continue, guys. Break is used to stop the loop. Okay, to stop the loop execution, use the break. To stop the loop execution, use the break statement. To skip the iteration, use what? Continue statement, right? There's a break versus what? Continue. Because you have got the point, right? I want to stop the data when the loop, even number occur. Stop the loop break. You want skip the iterations because depends on the requirement. First, you need to analyze what is suitable for this requirement. We need to skip the even numbers, right? Yeah, skipping the even numbers means continue, right? Exactly. Because let me write a code using edit plus. Go for edit plus Java. It's edit plus, right? Go to the file menu, click on the new Java. This is my Java file. Guys, class test here. Just you can take first of all integer array. Let me copy this code. Yes, I want to repeat the data using for loop. For I want to take the array means index based. Index based means what? Index starts from 0. I equals 0. Tell me guys, I less than. Tell me guys, I less than what? A dot length. Length variable guys, length. Don't take the method. This become method. Parenthesis becomes a method. Because a dot what? A dot length. Because I equals 0, I less than a dot length. Then you need to make the I plus plus. Go for what? 0, index 0, 1, 2, like that. Because what the first for loop, I want to stop the loop when the even number occurred. I hope you know that how to check the even number. If come here, numbers of I means what? Numbers of 0, numbers of 1, numbers of 2, like the every element. Numbers of I means numbers of 0, right? Numbers of I percentile equal percentile to double equal 0. Yes, first number even number no, second number even number no, third number even number no, fourth number even number yes. When it is even number, I want stop the loop, break it. Otherwise, just I want to print the data. The system dot out dot. Tell me guys, system dot out dot print of what? Something like numbers of what I write. Exactly. Guys, that's it, guys. Completed data. So break says that like this. Is numbers of I percentile to double equal 0. Numbers of I means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Yes, numbers of I percentile to double equal 0. Which one is matched? First one is not matched. So the value printed. Okay, this is a break is not matched, printing the data. Third is not matched, printing the data. 9 is not matched, print the data. But 4 is what? 4 is matched or not matched? 4 is matched. Break. Break means what? Stop the loop, right? Just can you please save this code in local disk is called Java file. Let's open the command prompt. Local disk D CLS JavaScript application is what? Test.java file. What happened here? A dot length. Not where is here? Numbers dot length. Fine. Because errors are common. Always you need to check the error. Try to rectify that error. Java class is called test class, right? Yeah. Run this code, guys. See the output now. 739. Guess what's the output now? 7, 3, and 9, right? Exactly. Is it clear now? 7, 3, and what? 9, right? Yeah, that is called break. Because what about continue? I want skip the iterations, right? I want skip what? Iteration. The system dot out dot println enough. Tell me a system dot out dot println of what? Yes, let me write the code. As usual, numbers are there. Let me take the for loop. For, tell me for int I equals 0. Guys, I why starts from 0? Because we are iterating the array. Iterating the array means first element is what? First index 0 na. Guys, first element means what? Index 0, right? First element is index 0. That's what you can take the I equal to what? 0. I less than up to how many here? I less than numbers dot length. Numbers dot what length. Some people will write the length minus 1 because they'll take the I less than or equal to length. I less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means we need to make the length minus 1. Just less than means what? Length minus 1 is not required. Then you can take what? I plus plus, right? Exactly. Yes, can you please print the data, the system dot out dot. No, no, no. What is the requirement? Tell me. Guys, what is the requirement? Tell me. The requirement will be like, uh, you want to skip the iteration, right? Even numbers. To skip the even numbers here, just we can take the I percentage to W equals 0. If it is there, continue. Continue means then what happened, guys? Yeah? The iterations will be skipped, right? It won't be printed iterations. Point or not? When this condition is matched, this data won't be executed. It's skipping this iteration. Observe carefully what I'm saying. Break means completely stop the loop. Yes, break is completely stop the loop. Whatever continue, continue skipping this iteration. When this even number is matched, continue. Continue means what? This code won't be executed. Remember the point, guys. Continue means this code execute, not execute. This code won't be executed. Directly control goes to I plus plus. Yes, directly control goes to what? I plus plus, right? Like that. Are you clear now? Yeah. This is a break versus what? A continue. You don't want the specific iterations. In that case, you need to go for simply continue. Whenever the continue is there, this code execute, not executed. This code is not executed. Directly control jumps to what? I plus plus, right? Exactly. Guess code is compiled fine. Code is compiled fine. Java class is called what? Test class. See guys, first case, when the even number occurs, stop the loop. Second case, tell me guys, it's skipping that even numbers or not? 4, 76, 34. I think you got the clarity about the break versus continue, right? It's very, very important, guys. When you stop the loops, when you want to stop the loop, you can go for the break. When you want to skip the iterations, specific iterations, you can go for the continue. Whenever the continue is there, the remaining code execute, not executed. The remaining code is not skipping that iteration, skipping that code, right? Guys, that is a break versus what? Continue, right? Exactly. Because you please check this point, break versus continue. And it's very very important, guys. Everyone take the notes and maintain the notes for this all assignments. Every assignment can you please take in one note, or like every assignment can you please make it as a one page. Please write all the assignments. You'll get the 300 plus assignments. You will get almost all 300 pages notes. You'll get getting core Java only, because up to this one for it is important. Last 1 minute for me important. Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Because please inform to your friends, okay, regarding this video, so that they'll get some information, right? Yes, if anything, if you need, just you can send a message to that. If anything, if a material, just you can comment. Just write your mail ID in the comments. Otherwise, you can send the test mail to ratanit@gmail.com. So we will check and we will send documents to your mail ID. Okay. So if anything like required session and all, if you want any required session, just you can call to 7330 886699. It's office number. Okay. So core Java, advanced Java, Python, Spring Boot, microservices. Any required sessions if you want, just you can call this number. Get the point, right? Yeah. So thank you guys. Meet in next video. We'll go for next question. Thank you. Bye.